guys, Jamaican Girl TV. We just watch the kids them in the bums about, you know, show them around. Today is a fun day and all. Listen. Whoa, that's nice. Whoa, that is cool. Look at this. This one is cool. That's nice.
They call it the merry-go-round. This is the merry-go-round.
Another time merry-go-round. When next week?
Yes.
That time merry-go-round, then we eat no man. That's not merry-go-round.
Yes.
That is something like the merry-go-round.
The bounce around.
Everything, yeah man. This day gonna be the big finale and everything. Kids bounce about over there and everything. Yeah, and last year we were here. Later on they're gonna have the music. They must set up the music over there, sir. Yeah man. They must set up music and stuff like that. And I think it's too big sound, so we'll see later. You know, when everything all set up. Yeah man. And they have the restroom over there if you want to use the restroom and all that stuff. Yeah, but the sun was very hot, so we went away and we come back. So you know, you come check out what's going on now that the sun is cool. See, I take off my shades because the sun is cool. It was very hot. Oh my God, I love this. When you're in America, it's so cold. It's freezing. Freezing. You have to be running, trying to get in the house. Too cold, too cold. Now we're on the island. Enjoy. Here comes my little cousin. Hey, come on, girl. What's up? Huh? What's your name?
Adina.
Huh? Adina. Okay. Yeah, she loves to run around. Keep her back. So yes guys, I was supposed to bring my drone like I said, but I forgot my drone. You know, it would be nice. Last year we have the drone and we were trying to send it up, you know, and all of that good stuff. It's kind of early. It's not that early. It's kind of almost 2. What time you have?
About some 15 minutes to 2.
15 minutes to 2. It's still early because a lot more stalls are gonna come in over here. Yeah. And by then, as you can see, some of the stalls set up, but they are empty. There is no one over there really. Last year they set up real early, so you know we have a good showdown last year. So for now, we're just gonna walk around and come back later.
Okay.